Hello, sir. May I get in?
Oh, hello. Yes, please come in. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. How are you today?
I'm good.
Great. This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System, taking place on Thursday, 24th of October at Cambridgeshire. The center number is BD 132133. The candidate is Marziya Islam and the candidate number is 079128. The examiner is Shafiqul Islam and the examiner number is 433816. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name's Shafiqul Islam. Would you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Marziya Islam.
Okay, and what should I call you?
You may call me Marziya.
Alright, Marziya, could I see your identification, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Right. In the first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
I do study. Recently, I have secured my HSC program from Bangla College.
Do you enjoy your subject?
Yes, I enjoy my subject a lot.
Great. Let's talk about the area you live in.
Okay, please go on.
Do you like the area that you live in?
Yes, I genuinely like the area that I live in. It offers a great balance of convenience, natural beauty, and a sense of community.
Where do you like to go on in that area?
I enjoy spending time in the local park where I can relax, go for work, and having picnic with my friends and family. There also have some cozy cafes and bookstores that I like to visit.
Do you know any famous people in your area?
While I don't personally know any famous people in my area, there have been a few notable individuals who hail from my towns and have made significant contribution in various fields.
What are some changes in the area recently?
Recently, there have been some positive changes in the area. New recreational facilities such as a community sports center and a modern library have been established, enhancing the quality of life for residents.
Let's move on to talk about watch. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I do wear a watch. It helps keep me track of time and stay organized throughout the day.
Have you ever got a watch as a gift?
Yes, I have received a watch as a gift on a special occasion. It holds sentimental values and serves as a reminder of that particular moment.
Okay, why do some people wear expensive watches?
Some people wear expensive watches as a symbol of their status, luxury, or to showcase their appreciation for intricate craftsmanship. It can also be seen as a fashion statement or a way to express their personal style.
Do you think it's important to wear a watch? And why do you think this so?
Wearing a watch can be important for individuals who value punctuality and time management. It also provides a convenience and great way to check the time without relying on electronic devices. However, ultimately it depends on personal preference and lifestyle.
Alright, now let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. And in this part of the speaking test, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. So you have 1 minute to plan what you're going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here's your paper, pencil, and this is your topic. So I'd like you to describe what you would do if you received a very large amount of money.
Okay, sir.
All right, so you can start making notes.
Okay, sir.
All right, your time's up. And now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when time's up. All right?
Okay, sir.
So could you please start speaking now?
If I were to receive a large sum of money, there are several things I would do with it. Firstly, I would share some of the money with my immediate family members. They have always been there for me, supporting and care for me, and it's a great way to express my gratitude and give back to them. Next, I would consider purchasing some important things. One priority would be consider investing in a comfortable home for myself and my family. Additionally, I would buy a reliable car to fulfill my transportation need and make daily life more convenient. Besides sharing and buying, I would also focus securing my financial future. I would consult with professionals and explore investment opportunities to ensure that the money continue to grow and provide stability in the long term. Moreover, I would set aside a portion for emergencies and unexpected expenses. Regarding my feelings about receiving such a large sum of money, I would experience a mix of excitement and gratitude. It would be an overwhelming and life changing moment. However, along with the excitement, I would also feel a sense of responsibility to manage the money wisely and make it meaningful in terms of positively impacting my life and the lives of others. I would strive to use the money for the betterment of myself, my loved one, and society as a whole.
Lovely, your time's up. Now, you've been telling me about what you would do if you received a large amount of money. All right, so now in the final 5 minutes of this test, I'd like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this. All right, let's discuss hypothetical scenarios involving receiving a large sum of money and what actions or reactions one might have.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you receive a substantial amount of money, who would you choose to share it with?
If I were enough fortunate to have a lot of money, I would share it with my immediate family members. They have always been my pillar of support, and it would bring me joy to see them benefit from the windfall as well.
In terms of purchases, what would be on your list if you had a significant amount of money?
With a significant amount of money at my disposal, I would consider purchasing a comfortable home for myself. Moreover, I would indulge in some long held dreams such as buying a reliable car and acquiring essential appliances and gadgets.
Apart from sharing and buying, what other plans or actions would you take with a large sum of money?
Besides sharing and making purchases, I would also prioritize securing my financial future. This would involve consulting professionals to invest money wisely and potentially start a small business that aligns with my interest and passions.
How would you emotionally react to receiving such a substantial amount of money?
Emotionally, I would experience a mix of astonishment, gratitude, and a sense of responsibility. The initial shock of receiving such a windfall would give way to immense gratitude for the opportunities it presents. However, I would also feel a deep sense of responsibility to manage the money wisely and make meaningful choices.
Can you think of any challenges or concerns that might arise when dealing with a large sum of money?
Managing a large amount of money can indeed come with challenges. One concern would be the temptation to overspend or make impulsive decisions. Additionally, there may be increased expectations from others, requiring careful consideration and setting boundaries to maintain healthy relationships.
Are there any philanthropic endeavors or charitable causes you would consider supporting with a significant amount of money?
Absolutely. If I were enough fortunate to have a large sum of money, I would dedicate a portion of it to support causes close to my heart. This might include considering to educational programs, healthcare initiatives, or organizations working towards environmental sustainability. Giving back to the society would bring me a deep sense of fulfillment.
All right, Marziya, that's the end of your speaking test.